G-Money, Costa Rica. Day 64, I think, of posting these videos every day. Day 84 of doing yoga every morning, studying day trading and affiliate marketing. I did not want to do my yoga this morning. It was really hard for me to do that. What do you think about that? This is Lola. Lola protects me from the other dog.
Lola? Ow.
And it's dark here. It's at night. It's 7 o'clock. We just had a little meat, a little cheese, and I lost weight. I lost weight by doing yoga 84 days in a row. It's the most important thing I'm doing. See ya.